Imagine finding your dream home and budgeting carefully for the mortgage payments, only to discover a significant and often overlooked cost that can fluctuate unexpectedly. This expense is not always fixed, and understanding how it is calculated is key to managing your home's total financial picture. What exactly is this impactful cost, and how can you prepare for it? Property assessment directly affects your taxes by establishing the taxable value of your home, which is then used to calculate your annual property tax bill. This assessed value is a foundational number, influencing how much you contribute to local services each year. The primary reason property assessment influences your taxes so directly is that it forms the base for taxation. Local government assessors estimate your property's value, taking into account factors like location, property size, building age, condition, and recent sales of comparable homes in your area. This assessed value is then multiplied by the local tax rate, often called a millage rate, to determine your specific property tax amount. These assessments are typically updated on a set cycle, which could be every 1 to 5 years depending on your jurisdiction, ensuring that your property's taxable value reflects its current market conditions as closely as possible. To understand your own situation, you can typically find your property's assessed value and the local tax rate on your county assessor's or tax collector's website. If you believe your assessment is too high, perhaps it does not accurately reflect your home's condition or recent local sales, you have the right to appeal it. This process usually involves submitting evidence of comparable sales or professional appraisals that support a lower valuation to the assessor's office, often within a specific timeframe after receiving your assessment notice. It is important to remember that the assessed value is not always the same as your home's market value, which is what a buyer might actually pay for it. The assessed value is specifically for tax purposes and can sometimes be a percentage of the market value. These property taxes are essential as they fund vital local services like schools, fire departments, police, roads, and libraries, directly benefiting the community and supporting the infrastructure around your home. By understanding how property assessment works, you gain greater control over your home's financial outlook and ensure you are paying a fair share towards the community. Knowing the assessment process empowers you to plan your budget more effectively and gives you the tools to question or appeal an assessment if it seems inaccurate, securing your financial well-being as a homeowner.